This is 12th standard commerce from commerce section, chapter name differentiation, which is a differentiation chapter from paper 1. Okay, I have already solved exercise 3.1 for you in last lecture. Now here it is exercise 3.2. Now what it is in 3.1, we have already find out the derivative y with respect to x. We have find out the value for dy by dx. Now here is the change. Find the rate of change of, see what is written, find the rate of change of demand, okay, x of a commodity with respect to its price. Okay, rate of change of demand, x with respect to its price. So we have to find here the value of dx upon dy. We have to find the value of dx upon dy, okay, which is nothing but inverse function of dy by dx. Okay, so here what is given, y is equal to 12 plus, this is your question number 1, first problem, y is equal to 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. Now to find this, we will first find dy by dx. Okay, from regular method से हम dy by dx find out करेंगे, then we will take the inverse function. Okay, so here differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. Okay, so here it is apply derivative on all the three terms. As it is middle sign is addition, apply the derivative to all the three terms. So it is derivative of 12 d by dx of 10x plus derivative of 25x square. Okay, now here it is, if you see here, see this is a scalar, derivative of 12 is 0, so you can directly write here 0 plus, here it is scalar multiple 10 into x, so you can take out this 10 outside into derivative of x plus 25, again scalar taken outside, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन के रूल के हिसाब से हम जा रहे हैं. सो 25 इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. सो हियर इट इज 0 प्लस, नो नीड टू ऐड द 0, सो इट इज 10 इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स इज 1 प्लस 25 डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स रेज टू एन फॉर्मूला 2x n इंटू एक्स रेज टू n माइनस 1, n माइनस 1, 2 माइनस 1 कितना आ गया, यहाँ पे डिग्री आ गया 1, सो नो नीड टू राइट 2 इंटू एक्स. दिस इज योर वैल्यू फॉर dy बाई डी एक्स. ओके, ये हो गया आपका dy बाई डी एक्स. इट इज 10 प्लस 50x. लेट दिस इक्वेशन बी 1. ओके, सो by the inverse function, derivative of inverse function, what we can write, by derivative of inverse function, because we require dx upon dy, what we can write, by the derivative of inverse function, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx, provided dy by dx, the value of dy by dx should not be equal to 0, because आप डिनोमिनेटर को जीरो से किसी भी नंबर को आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. इट इज undefined term, it is not defined. So 1 upon dy by dx. What is dy by dx here? From 1, 10 plus 50x. You can write here from 1. So what is the final answer? Final answer यहाँ पे हो गया. So hence you can write, see it is the value of dx upon dy. What it is? Rate of change of demand with respect to its price. So hence you can write here, hence the rate of change of demand with respect to price is, what it is given, 1 upon 10 plus 50x. This is your final required answer. Okay, similarly now we will solve the question number 2 from same exercise, question number 1, question number 2. From question number 1 it is second problem. So y is equal to 18x plus log of x minus 4. Here also we have to find the change of demand x with respect to price, and price क्या दिया है यहाँ पे, y. So we have to find dx upon dy only. Okay, now here we will differentiate with respect to x. So what is dy by dx? It is d by dx of 18x plus log of x minus 4. We have applied here derivative on both side of the equation. So it is derivative d by dx of derivative of 18x plus, as it is middle sign plus, we will apply the derivative to both the functions here, both the terms, log of x minus 4. So here it is 18 taken outside, scalar taken outside, derivative of x plus, see if you see here, this function is a combination of two functions. It is a composite function of two functions. First function is log, second function is x minus 4, and we know the derivative for log. What is the derivative of log? 1 upon x. So it is 1 upon x minus 4 into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x माइनस 4. ओके, यहाँ पे जो log का डेरिवेटिव था 1 अपॉन x के टर्म में आ गया इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अ रिमेनिंग फंक्शन यूजिंग द चेन रूल इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रिमेनिंग फंक्शन. सो हियर इट इज 18 इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 4 इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x 1 minus derivative of constant is 0. Okay, so here it is 18 plus 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 minus 0. What is 1 minus 0? 1. So you are multiplying here by 1. 1 से multiply करके value will remain same. So it is equal to what? If you simplify this 18 into x, अब क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दोगे तो ये हो जाएगा 18x minus 72 plus 1 divided by x minus 4. Okay, so your value for dy by dx का वैल्यू हो जाएगा आपका 18x minus 72 plus 1 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे minus 71 divided by x minus 4. This is your value for dy by dx. But what we require dx upon dy. Exactly इसका क्या चाहिए हमें? रेसिप्रोकल चाहिए. Okay, ये हो गया वैल्यू dy by dx. So what we will write? We can write here hence by the derivative of the inverse function. So by the derivative of inverse function or inverse function derivative of inverse function, what we can write? Dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx from 1. Okay, from 1, not from 1. We will first put the value and it is from 1. So here you can write, see, अगर आप ऐसे भी लिखते हो 18x minus 71 डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 4, ये भी चल जाएगा. और आप यहाँ से अगर ये देखो, ये डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर है, इट कम्स इन द इट विल गो इन द न्यूमरेटर. सो x माइनस 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 18x माइनस 71. दिस इज नथिंग बट रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस टर्म इज नथिंग बट रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस टर्म. सो dx अपॉन dy. तो आप डायरेक्टली भी ये स्टेप ना लिखते हुए आप अगर ये भी लिखोगे डायरेक्टली, देन ऑल्सो इट इज ओके. ओके, सो हेंस द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ what it is? Rate of change of demand with respect to price. Demand with respect to price is given by, what is demand with respect to price is given by x minus 4 divided by 18x minus 71. The required final answer. Okay, similarly the third problem, we will take the third problem. Y is equal to 25x plus log of 1 plus x square. Now again we have to find here dx upon dy. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, it is equal to d by dx of 25x plus log of 1 plus x square. Okay, जो y का वैल्यू था वो पूरा का पूरा ब्रैकेट में हमने डाल दिया. So it is derivative of 25x plus derivative of log of 1 plus x square. As it is middle sign is plus sign, we have applied the derivative to both the terms. Okay, जो हमने पहले प्रॉब्लम में किया था, same method. Now here it is 25x. So take out this 25 outside into derivative of x plus derivative of log of 1 plus x square. Again it is a composite function of two functions, log and 1 plus x square. तो log का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log आ जाएगा 1 upon 1 plus x square into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 plus x square. ओके, जो log का डेरिवेटिव था 1 upon x, लेकिन यहाँ पे x नहीं है, क्या है 1 plus x square है, तो 1 upon 1 plus x square डाल दिया into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 plus x square. ओके, so here it is 25 into derivative of x 1 1 plus x square derivative of 1. Now what is the derivative of 1? Again you can see, you can write here. आप यहाँ पे मिडल साइन प्लस है तो ये दोनों टर्म्स को आप डेरिवेटिव सेपरेटली अप्लाई कर सकते हो. तो वो डेरिवेटिव अप्लाई करने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट है 0 एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2x x रेज टू n का फॉर्मूला. सो हियर इट इज 25 प्लस 0 प्लस 2x कितना आ जाएगा, 2x. इट विल कम इन द न्यूमरेटर डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस इट इज 25 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या आ जाएगा, 25 इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, 25 इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो वॉट इट इज 25 इंटू 1 25 मिडल साइन प्लस 25 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x divided by 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So here it is 25 plus 25x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, ये हो गया वैल्यू आपका dy by dx, dy by dx. So by inverse function, by derivative of inverse function, what is dx upon dy? I am writing now directly 1 upon dy by dx. It is equal to, इसका रेसिप्रोकल आपको बस लिखना है 1 plus x square divided by, we will start with highest degree 25x square plus 2x plus 25. This is your required answer. So the rate of change of demand with respect to price is given by, is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 25x square plus 2x plus 25. Okay, which is a required final answer. Next, now we will see the question number 2 from same exercise. There are only 2 questions. Question number 1 3 problem, question number 2 also 3 problems. Now what is given here, find the marginal demand of a commodity where demand is x and price is y. Okay, marginal demand find out करना है, मतलब क्या find out करना है, again you have to find here dx upon dy only. Okay, जो आपने इसके पहले वाले जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में किया है dx upon dy, यहाँ पे भी आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में भी आपको dx अपॉन dy ही फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, नाउ हियर y इज इक्वल टू x इंटू ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स प्लस 7. सो डिफ्रेंशिएट टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव dy बाई dx, डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो dy बाई dx इट इज इक्वल टू d बाई dx ऑफ x इंटू ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स प्लस 7. वी हैव अप्लाइड डेरिवेटिव ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन. सो इट इज, as middle sign is plus sign, you can apply here, it is derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. यहाँ पे 7 दोनों को क्या कर दिया हमने, डेरिवेटिव सेपरेटली अप्लाई कर दिया. बट इफ़ यू सी हियर x इंटू ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स, x into e raised to minus x, there are two functions of x. First function is x, second function is e raised to minus x, and both the functions are of x which are in multiplication. So you will apply the rule of differentiation. कौन सा multiplication का rule आप यहाँ पे apply करोगे, what it is, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So I am writing the rule, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function plus derivative of constant is 0. So it is x into derivative of e raised to minus x. What it is, e raised to minus x का derivative क्या हो जाएगा, as it is not also simple function of x, e raised to minus x का derivative हो जाएगा e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x into derivative of minus x plus e raised to minus x as it is, this e raised to minus x as it is into derivative of x is 1. Okay, so the final answer is, it is not a final answer, x into e raised to minus x, derivative of minus x, minus 1 scalar taken outside, minus 1 into derivative of x is 1. तो minus x का जो derivative है वो हो गया minus 1 माइनस वन इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स इज वन, सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस एक्स हो गया माइनस ऑफ वन प्लस ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स. So here you can take out e raised to minus x common. E raised to minus x taken common. In bracket what is remaining? Minus x plus 1. So here you can write e raised to minus x 1 minus x. ये 1 मैंने आगे लिख दिया और ये minus x सेकेंड टर्म में डाल दिया. Okay, so this is your value for dy by dx. Okay, so by derivative of inverse function, by derivative of inverse function, what you will write? What is dx upon dy? Dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So it is equal to 1 upon e raised to minus x divided by, sorry, e raised to minus x into 1